Sell. What's up, guys? I hope you're not out there selling all your stocks off. As you can see, today was a really red day, and it's created a lot of downward spiral. A lot of people have been selling their stocks off. I think it's potential to possibly buy in at this moment, maybe reinvest, buckle down a little bit, reinvest into some of those stocks that you've been investing in. Would I go out and, add a huge amount to my portfolio? Probably not. I think in the upcoming months, we're going to see a lot of trading sideways, which is normal for September, right? We typically see this in September. If you looked back through history, you see this a lot of times in the September region. We're coming to the end of that third quarter here, going into the fourth quarter for the end of the year. And then with all the uncertainty and the unstableness of our government, it's created a lot of, downward spiral this week. So I don't plan on dumping a lot of money into the stock market. I am going to continue to buckle in or pour some into some of the investments that I have. Like everyone, we've seen some downward spiral today, but I don't think you need to sell off. I don't think we're going to have, end to the end of stock market. I think we're going to be, still making money in the long term, and that's why you should be investing in the stock market. You shouldn't be investing in the stock market that you're going to be physically selling and buying, unless you're a short-term trader. But what I focus on is helping educate people that are new to the stock market or new to investments. I'm not teaching you how to do short trading or day trading right now in this portfolio. So, we're buying and holding our investments. A lot of my investments are something that I look at that are going to be around for the long term, and in portfolio investments that I want to hold on for a while, like my Teslas, my Apple. I have a stronghold with Dave & Buster, some of those companies that I foresee into the future continuing to grow. I'm not, buying quick, like I said, day trades and stuff like that. I'm investing in a portfolio that I am planning on holding for another 10, 20, 30 years, and getting returns from that with dividends or whatnot, whatever it may be. But I just wanted to put this video out there and make sure you don't go sell off your portfolio. Maybe look at some of the trades or some of the stocks that you as an individual have made a profit in, and you're like, hey, do I want to hold on to this, or do I want to, change it out, maybe sell this off and invest it into something else? You're on a red day, so you might be able to invest in some of the other stocks that you've wanted to, so look at those options. I don't see this as being, a sell-off point that the whole market's going to go into a substantial crash. There's red days, there's pullbacks and stuff like that. Those are typically the days you want to invest, because there's going to be an upward trend at some point. And like I said, there might be some sideways trading for a little while that we're not, having the highs and lows in the market, but it's going to create a little bit more stability, and it's going to create a little bit more of a less of a change that we had in the past year, and obviously the COVID and all those things. So do your due diligence to just be cautious on investing on days like this. And like I said, this is a video just to make sure you're not out there and selling all of those investments that you dump money into because, hey, I made $1,000 in profit and I'm going to turn around and dump it all. Because what that does is just create a lot of scarcity and a lot of uncertainty in the market, and it drops the numbers more. So other stocks you might hold are going to feel the effect as well. So just be cautious on it and know that these things happen. So like I said before, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this because it's something I like to share with on YouTube. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Like I said, I'm talking more about real estate investments and all those things. And I look forward to seeing you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and stick around for the future. Hit subscribe. Thank you.